Hello teacher and hello everyone. Today we do the conversation to talk about gourd fry with egg.
Hi Juan. Hi No. Today I want to eat gourd fry with egg. But I don't know how to cook it. Oh, I can cook it. Can you teach me how to cook it?
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Let's start now.
First, you have to go to the market and buy a small gourd and some eggs and some ingredients like sugar, salt, oil, garlic, spring onion, soup powder, and pepper.
I got it.
Then you have to wash the gourd and egg. Then you cut the medium slice. Then you have to peel the garlic and chop it.
I understand it.
Next, you take the pan, turn on the gas and put the oil to the pan and wait for the heat. And then you put the garlic that you chop and stir it until it turns red and put the egg, make it with the garlic. After that, we put some ingredients like salt, sugar, fish sauce, pepper and soup powder. And then we put the gourd that we cut and fry it until it's done. Put some butter and cover it until it cooks.
Thank you for listening. Bye bye.